Hi guys, welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today is a very special day because it is the first time that we are instituting a tiki cocktail. Now, I have been thinking about doing tiki cocktails for a long time, and if you know me and you're watching this video, then you'll know that for the last 8 years or so, I've really been focused on just mastering classic cocktails and kind of more culinary cocktails. And I haven't really played around with tiki cocktails that much, so I want to start playing around with them here. That being said, I'm going to put all of my knowledge in spirits and mixers and bartending into making these cocktails great. Today, I decided to make a Jungle Bird, which was a 1970s cocktail from the Aviary bar in Kuala Lumpur, which my producer Marius tells me is in Malaysia, but I would have had to consult Google or a map. Anyway, why I chose this particular cocktail is because although it is technically a tiki cocktail, it actually utilizes Campari, and so it gives that sort of bittering element. And to tell you the truth, right now in the United States, drinkers have really just found out about Amaros and aperitif and digestif liqueurs from Italy, and so those bitter flavors are really popular right now. Just bear witness to Campari's Negroni week, and then just like Negroni, the Negroni craze. Okay, let's get into the cocktail. This is not very hard. Oh, one more note. Usually you would be using crushed ice for this, but today I didn't have the time. I just didn't have access to crushed ice, so I'm going to be using well ice. Some people put it on a block. Some people use just like cubed ice, which is what we're going to be using. But But most of the time you're going to be using. Crushed ice or pebble ice. All right, cool. I just lost my train of thought because I'm talking too much. Let's just get into making the cocktail. The first thing you want to, the other thing is this. Sorry, there's so many things about this that I need to tell you that I keep on false starting, but usually you'd be using dark Jamaican rum or Backstrap rum, but today I decided that I was going to use this Angostura 7-year, which is from Trinidad. And if you want to get on my case about it in the comments, then go right ahead, but this makes a delicious drink. So, first thing is 1.5 ounces of rum, dark rum, whether it's from Trinidad or Jamaica. 3/4 of an ounce of Campari. We're going to shake this a little bit to combine it, but 1.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juice. Half an ounce of lime. Half an ounce of simple syrup. And we're going to leave this here. We're going to get our ice. Tap it down on a nice hard surface and shake our cocktail. Pour that in there. And then because this is usually a crushed ice drink and the flavors are so powerful, you actually don't have to worry too much about dilution. So I will actually add a little bit of ice here. And since this is at temperature anyway, we're gonna pour it over ice. And I'm not going to double strain it because you want those ice chips in there. So we just there you go. And then we are going to garnish with a pineapple frond. Voila! Our very first tiki cocktail, the Jungle Bird.